फायदो जों हायतेसा क्लास 12 नि एग्जाम पैटर्न नायलुनाय क्लास 12 नि स्टैटिस्टिक टर्म 2 बोर्ड फाइनल 2022 मार्क 35 मैथमेटिक्स total 2 probability distribution 2 total 14 ni sampling estimation and testing of hypothesis 19 ni hainai total 25 ba 35 ni jaga rijaka bono jaga mark bo phungjak tongo MCQ BSA SA asungni hainai 5 50 ni 5 ni bono phungjaka naide static practical syllabus of term 2 board final examination 2022 naide o jaga o tola naide application and fitting of binomial distribution application and fitting of position distribution large sample tests of a single mean single proportion and difference of two proportion proof number exact test of hypothesis under normal setup for a single mean difference of two means of haitongnai practical syllabus omka gai mark distribution of both final practical examination by phungjak jaga experiment 5+5 practical notebook by 22 waharnokni mark phungjaka naidi omo hai system kai phainai awarnokni phungjak class 12 ni syllabus term 2 ni both final ni obongka subject gijara samya tongrok kungrok note khainrak dei last video ang dongno PDF rirwana ani description link o kainrok abotor tabok obo naigra dei asukno hainai jotono hambai।